Hey guys, Mac HD Tutorials here with episode 3, and in this episode we're going to be actually making an icon for our $1 million app that we're going to be selling in the App Store. Just joking. To do this, you're going to need something to make a photo with. You could use GIMP. I think that's a free open source software. You can also use Photoshop. I'm going to be using Photoshop, so I recommend that you use kind of the same thing so you could do exactly what I'm doing in this tutorial. Common sense. So if you don't have Photoshop, you can always Google it and it should pop up. Get the trial. You can always get it for free. I'm not going to tell you how to get it for free, but I think you know how. So we're going to be opening Photoshop. You can ignore this. This is just something I was working on. You're going to put File, New, and it has to be width 57 and height 57 pixels. And you can go new. You're gonna click OK. Let's just unlock this real quick, and I'm gonna make a new layer. Zoom in twice, and I'm gonna get this tool right here, rectangle tool, and just sort of go over it like that. It seems pretty legit. And I'm gonna make it black. Then I'm gonna make a new new layer. Add some text. Change the color of the text. I don't want it to be black. Sort of grayish. And our first app that we're going to be making, it's actually going to be changing the text. Like I said that on episode 2, I believe. We're going to be changing the text with some coding. So for this icon, we can just make it letter T for text, I guess. So just put that right there. The moving tool. And that sort of looks like it's in the middle, right? So that's pretty good as an icon, just for now. You want to zoom out, that's why it's kind of blurry. And that's how it's going to look. Oh, and the corners, you know how it's kind of square. Don't try to like erase it, try to make it circle like on the iPhone. Don't do that. It's just gonna, the iPod and the iPhone is just gonna do that automatically. And we're gonna have to save this. So save as. Save it on my desktop. I'm gonna name it my icon, or just icon. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. And it must, guys, it must be PNG, or it's not gonna work. So just click OK. There we go. We have your icon. We don't need this no more. And there it is. It's on our desktop. I'm gonna open Xcode. And this is our project, iPhone tutorial. There you guys have it. And you want to click on the project, not on any of these files. You want to click right here on the project, and then this thing's gonna pop up, the summary of our project. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see something that says Apple icons. What you want to do is drag it. First, you want to oh my god, fail at dragging it in. You want to drag it into our project and copy. You want to copy it. And ignore that message, just XYZ messaging me. And once you, oh, I didn't copy into the project. Then you want to copy from the project to the Apple icon, and then there you guys have it. There's your icon. And to show you that this actually is gonna run, we're gonna click run and actually test it. So build success. We didn't do any coding, so it should work. Let the simulator open. Okay, come on. our app's gonna open. Once it opens, I'm gonna there you guys have it. App opens. Now we're just gonna click the home button and ignore all this. This is just stuff I was testing. And there you guys have. You see how it already like rounded the corners for us. We don't have to do that. But there's our icon. If we click it, our app opens. Next tutorial, we're gonna be changing the text with coding, not double clicking. And the reason why you want to do this is because, well, let's see how much time we have. I'll explain everything and show you the coding on the next tutorial, and see you there.